हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टूवर्ड एजुकेशन। आज हम लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के इम्पोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और यह वीडियो पार्ट 2 है। इससे पहले जीके पर वीडियो बन चुका है। क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स? आंसर, ग्रिगोर मंडल। Question, which of the following is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer, Itanagar. Question, which is the largest coffee producing state of India? Answer, Karnataka. Question, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question, who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question, which place in India is also known as the land of rising sun? Answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Question, when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Answer, 26 January. Question, who invented the telephone? Answer, Alexander Graham Bell. Question, who invented the printing press? Answer, Johannes Gutenberg. Question, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer, Mount Everest. Question, at which of the following battles was Humayun defeated by Sher Shah Suri? Answer, Battle of Chauza. Question, who invented steam engine? Answer, Thomas Newcomen. Question, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Question, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Question, which of the following medium sound travel faster? Answer, solid. Question, which of the following medium light travel faster? Answer, gas. Question, what is the speed of light in vacuum? Answer, 3 into 10 power 8 km per second. Question, which country has the highest population? Answer, China. Question, who is the current Chief Minister of West Bengal with the perspective of 2021? Answer, Mamata Banerjee. Question, which is the longest national highway in India? Answer, National Highway 44. Question, which is the largest part of our brain? Answer, cerebrum. Question, which is the largest organ of our body by mass? Answer, liver. Question, what is the name of India's national aquatic animal? Answer, river dolphin. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Question, who designed the India Parliament in New Delhi? Answer, Edwin Lancey Lutens. Question, who invented safety lamp? Answer, Humphrey Davy. Who is called the father of computer? Answer, Charles Babbage. Question, who is the inventor of television? Answer, Philo Tyler Francois II. Question, who gave the law of motion? Answer, Sir Isaac Newton. Question, which acid is called king of all acid? Answer, sulfuric acid. Question, who is the first president of India? Answer, राजेंद्र प्रसाद। तो चलिए गाइस, वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा हो चुका है, इस वीडियो को एंड करते हैं। अगर आप ऐसा ही वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।